In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit an invoice in Xero. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Sales up top, click on it, and you want to go to Invoices. Now, when you are inside Invoices, it depends on which type of an invoice it is. So if it's a draft, awaiting payment, or paid already, okay? So let me show you for drafts. That's the easiest way. You simply want to click on Draft over here. You want to find your draft invoice, and you simply want to click on it. And when you click on the invoice, you'll automatically be able to edit whatever you want, okay? So there's no buttons that need to be pressed from here. You can just go and change whatever. So, for example, if I go and let's just change something over here. For example, let's say I want to change the quantity to 2 over here like this. As you can see, I can just click on the save button up top right, and that's going to save it, and I've successfully edited this invoice. However, if of course you are inside invoices and you are awaiting payment or it's paid already, you can click on any of these. So I'm going to go to one which has awaiting payment, and I'm just going to click on that specific invoice. And then in here, if it's still awaiting payment like this, you have to go to the top right and click on the 3 dots and then click on edit from here. Now, whenever you do this, of course, you can edit whatever you want. So here, I'm just going to do like, for example, let's just do like 35 instead of 40. And then you can click on the update button, and you also have the options to email, get link, etc. I'm just going to click on update, and there we go. We've done that. And right now, as you can see, it says something went wrong. That's because usually if that happens, just save again. So don't worry about that. Or you can go to pay as well. And if the invoice has already been paid, as you can see, for example, if I click on this one, which has been paid, I'll be able to do the exact same thing. So I can go to the top right, click on edit, and then here I can edit whatever I want, click on update, and I'm good to go. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.